Alright, currently it is 1 minute 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna do the weekly fire alarm test. Just get out the key. I'll keep tapping it. I've turned the key. Getting ready. Oh god. This is the most difficult thing ever. Yep. Oh crap. Fail. Alright, anyways, it's 3 o'clock, so here we go. There's no one in the house, so we got the C3 toner board there. So I guess the alarm is activated. Yeah. Alright, so that was this weekly test. Actually, I want to do a smoke detector, so I'm going to reset that. Hold on. Alright, we'll do the smoke detector on zone 3. I do a smoke detector, and a call point each week on the same zone. We're going to do. Shut this small tiny bit. Alright. I'll do the smoke detector up here. There it goes, flashing there. We've never actually tested this before, so here's the first test. It worked. Jesus Christ, that is loud. Alright, so that was system test 3, and the test lasts for 5 minutes, so I could do other things. But I only test the detector in call point once a week. So that was the test, and yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and like if you like this sort of stuff. Yeah, peace.